Best way to get mechanical feel without mechanical keyboard. First, open any browser, then type Macbyte. Then click on download option. After the website open, download the software according to your operating system. Install the software after the software is completely downloaded. Click Next. Click Install. Then click Finish. From here, you can increase and decrease the sound of the mechanical keyboard. There are many names of mechanical keyboards here. Choose according to your preference. Now we will type something and see how it sounds. Thanks for watching.